Now that you have created your first YouTube channel, there might be a situation that you need to open another or more YouTube channels. Your first channel could become quite popular, or you may have a new idea to start another YouTube channel. Well, in this video, I'm going to explain all solutions and the best solution for doing it. Hello everybody, welcome to Tatarina. Let's make our second YouTube channel. You can open your YouTube channel by creating a new Gmail account. That could be helpful if you want to sell or give up the ownership of the channel to someone else. But if you want to build a YouTube career with multiple channels, managing them from one Gmail account would be more convenient. So it is the best way to open a YouTube channel. It's nothing like that if you have multiple channel under one email account. You can't give up the ownership. You can also change ownership or add more manager even if you have multiple channel from one email account. So that's why it's the best solution, and I'm going to show now how you can do it. In order to create your second YouTube channel, you have to go to the upper right corner and click on the channel menu. From there you can open another YouTube channel in two ways. The easiest way is to go to switch account. From there, if you have one channel, then there will be one channel and view all channels button. But if you have more than one channel, then all channel will be listed under that Gmail account. Right now I have two because I have created a test account, but your case there would be one channel. Now I'm going to click on view all channels. It will take me to this page, and there would be one channel for your case. For my case, there is two channel. And if I want to open another YouTube channel, then I have to click on create a channel. This is the first way. And right now I'm opening another tab to show you the second way. So I have to click on the menu again. Then from there I can click on settings, and from there I can click on add or manage your channels, and it will take me to the same page. So in both way it is the same page. And if you are a power user, you don't need to go to any menu item. What you can do, you can write www.youtube.com/account, and if you are logged into YouTube, then it will take you to this page. So this is the way. And now I'm going to click on the button create a channel, and it will take you to this page. This is the latest solution of opening a YouTube channel. Please remember that whenever you're opening a second YouTube channel, it will create a brand account for that particular channel, and using brand account you can add more manager and people like that. So I'm going to go and give the channel name now, and it will be Tatarina second channel. And we have to always give our consent on doing something, and I'm just clicking on that, and I'm going to click on create. It's taking some time to open the channel because a lot of things are happening in the backend. Well, this is our second channel, and we can customize this channel like any other YouTube channel by clicking on customize channel, or maybe going to the YouTube studio, and from there to the settings, things like that. So everything will be same, just we have created another channel, and we can create as many channel as we want under one Gmail account. I think the count would be 100 channel under one Gmail account. I'm not sure the current one, and previously we could do 100 channel under one Gmail, but I think that's more than enough. If you you have 100 channel with a different content, that will be a huge empire to build on YouTube. I hope that you like the video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment on this video below, and until next video, take care, bye bye.